What's up, Wanderers? So, got a quick little project here. So, we've got this air mattress. We just bought it. It's brand new, and it's just a Walmart air mattress. It's nothing super duper fancy. But aired this up, and it is self-inflating, so that's super nice. Aired it up, and then had some guests over and used it for about a week. And then I opened it up to vacuum in here for about 5 minutes, and the next thing I knew, the cat had hopped on here. Various things to fix this. You know, just kind of some home remedies. I tried super glue, some hot glue, and then I had the bright idea, well, just super home remedy, I'm just going to try to put some wax on it, and that did not do the trick. But we went to REI the other day. God, love REI. Shout out to REI. Sponsor me. We went out to REI and got this patch fix right here. Flex patches. And you stick it on there, right? Just a general thing, right? So clean and dry surface, cut patch, round corners, and remove backing. Apply with pressure from center out, and store tape in bag. So it's pretty straightforward. You peel and stick and see how it goes. So I'm gonna inflate this up, and I'm gonna take a little knife and scrape off the excess wax right there, and then we're gonna test this patch, stick it on, see how it does. And it's a queen size mattress. As you can see, it fills up pretty thick, and it's pretty big, pretty good size. It self-inflated about 39 seconds real time, so it's up real fast, and it's honestly one of the most comfortable air mattresses I've ever slept on. So it's a pretty good mattress for the money, so that's why I'd love to patch it. There's where the major two holes were, and some wax, hot glue on it first, and then I cleaned off the excess wax. I'm gonna vacuum this up and then clean it off and slap that patch on there. It actually seems to be holding pretty good right now, but I still want to slap that patch on just to be safe. So the directions do say you can cut the patch and then round out the corners and stuff like that. I was just going to stick the whole thing on there because it is quite a large, there's 2 holes and it's quite a large area, but there's only 2 of these patches in there, and I think just cutting this down to about a quarter of a strip will be plenty. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's cut it down about a quarter of a strip right there. So let's go ahead and get this patched on. It says start in the center, now apply pressure. Apply pressure from the center out. Alright, so that's a patch. It actually does go on clear, and I ended up having to double patch this, and I don't know if that's just because the surface that I created was, not conducive. It doesn't like sticking to this blue felt or whatever, but we'll double patch it up, and that seems to stop it. So let's kick the air back up and see what it does. All right, we're inflated. Don't hear anything. And I hear air. So I've actually found 2 new holes from the cat right here. So we're going to see if we can just patch this how it's supposed to be patched. So the patch is held. I ended up deflating this. I left it up for about an hour while we cooked around for the day, and it ended up deflated it, and they ended up holding up really well. There ended up being 3 patches, 3 spots. So here's the big one. There's the main one that double patched up. Here is the first one, and then here's the next one. I ended up finding a little pinhole from the cat right here as well, and I think that is all 3 of them. but patched them up, and the patches held up really well. I'll have to update you guys again next time we bust this mattress out. But I think it's gonna be good.